Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to walk through how to view detailed storage information on your Windows computer. Whether you're running out of space or just curious about how your storage is being used, these methods will help you get all the details you need. Let's dive in. Let's use the Settings app for a more detailed breakdown. Click right on Start, then select Settings. Go to System, and then click on Storage. You'll see an overview of your storage usage. Click on any category, like Apps and Features or Temporary Files, to see more details. This method is great for understanding exactly what's taking up space on your drive. And that's it. Those are the best ways to view detailed storage information on your Windows computer. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, these methods will help you stay on top of your storage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.